Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Zaiba blender, easy method. First, assemble pitcher, blade, and lid securely before adding ingredients. Start with liquids, then soft ingredients, and end with ice or frozen fruit for smoother blending. Use pulse for chunky salsas and continuous speed for smoothies or soups. Always unplug and wait for blades to stop before removing the pitcher. Clean blades carefully and store the unit in a dry place. Begin by measuring liquids and adding them to the pitcher, then add solids in layers to protect the motor. Lock the lid firmly and ensure the base is stable before powering on. Start at low speed and gradually increase to achieve desired texture, using pulse for coarse results. For hot soups, allow steam to vent and blend in short bursts. After use, unplug and rinse the pitcher and lid promptly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful tips. Quick recommendation. I use the Oala water bottle because it seals reliably and keeps drinks cold between blending sessions, which is perfect for taking smoothies on the go. It fits most cup holders and has a leak-proof spout for easy sipping. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Always unplug the unit before cleaning and remove the pitcher and blade assembly with care. Rinse away large debris, then wash the removable parts with warm, soapy water and a soft brush. Use caution when handling blades and avoid abrasive cleaners that could dull them. Dry all parts completely before reassembly to prevent mold and electrical issues. Store the blender with the lid slightly open to allow airflow and prevent odors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.